Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me show you a quick fingerprint sensor test. So here we will check if it is reliable and if it works fast. So let me lock the device and let me show you the sensor which is located on the back of our device. So I've previously added my fingerprint to it, so let me put my finger on the sensor in order to check if it will work. So actually it unlocked the device, so let's check it multiple times. Okay, if it missed. Okay, so overall I think the fingerprint scanner works, and that's for sure, and it works pretty good actually. It missed the unlocking one time, but probably it was my fault because I put my finger in the wrong way. And I think it's quite efficient, and to be honest, it's quite fast and reliable, so it will unlock the device every time you will put your finger on the sensor. So actually I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.